This is the follow-on model to the Portento that's very popular from the Natuzzi range, and in this updated form with this stylish and more modern arm design with side plate and angled top half set on black finish UFO legs. With uprated seat foam, this is very comfortable and will stand the test of time, an improvement on the previous Portento model. These headrests can be raised via ratchet to different positions, giving you a high back comfort, and once pulled forward you can lower them, giving you the cool, contemporary, updated designer looks of this wonderful model. Updated in 2025, this is a brand new style, and look at this angled arm, which is super modern, with the pleat across the top and the seam along the arm top, with a very mild and subtle contrast stitch, adding a detail and matching with the seams on the backrest, headrest and the seat of this wonderful and very comfortable designer sofa. Le Mans premium leather, as well as being beautiful visually, wonderful to the touch, this leather is protected and family resilient. Taupe colour perfectly complements this stunning designer styling. Improved seat foam, firmer, more substantial, very comfortable, an improvement that will help this sofa stand the test of time, in stock at SofaMax.